Some unknown facts about Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva is the most popular deity in Hindu religion, but there are some deep and unknown facts which are still not visible to us. Let us try to dig deeper into the facts related to Lord Shiva and understand the core essence of Shiva one by one. First, we'll talk about the word Shiva. The meaning. The word Shiva comes from Sanskrit root Shi, S-H-E-E, which means rest. Shiva is the one who gives rest to all the whole world. He is also referred to as Mahakal or bringer of death to living beings. It is said so because when humans are tired of this life and this body, they rest at the feet of Shiva before starting their new journey. Next, we'll talk about the difference between the Shiva and the Shankara, or we call Shankar. While Shiva is his divine form, Shankar is his subtle or human form. Shiva or Shiv is Nirakar, that is formless, and Shankar is Sakar, that is formed. He is also known as Adi Yogi in some texts. It's because he existed in human form thousands of years ago on this planet and did a lot of tapasya at Kailash Hill and finally got completely united to his divine form, the supreme soul of divine Shiva. Next, we'll talk about consumption of poison. It is believed that Lord Shiva consumed poison, and this act brought him the name Nilkant. This act has a symbolic reference to he is known to absorb the suffering and the pains of the whole world. He has the power to absorb all the negativities, which is poison to us, and still remain calm and peaceful. Next, we'll talk about the serpents around his neck. The serpent actually denotes the miscreants, those creatures who are busy in disturbing others and causing harm to others. Shiva has the power to acclimatize them and keep them attached to himself so that their mysterious activities are controlled. Next, we'll talk about having a crescent moon at the head. The moon is supposed to have a force, the force of gravity, which has the capability of causing tides in the ocean. This moon tells about his power to govern the activities on the earth. Next, we'll talk about the Mother Ganga over the head. No Devtas could ever control the rate of Ganga's flow, but Shiva has the power to control that too. In other words, it denotes his extraordinary capabilities of withstanding harsh and difficult circumstances and still remaining calm and peaceful. Next, we'll talk about consuming marijuana. Lord Shiva is said to have consumed marijuana. Marijuana is known as bhang in Hindi. The root meaning of bhang in Sanskrit is siddhast or perfectionist. Lord Shiva was a perfectionist in every respect, so he is also known as Bhangedi in some texts. Next, we'll talk about the clothes of tiger skin. Tiger skin is a symbol of valor. Lord Shiva is valorous and full of life, and no restrictions can deter him from attaining his ultimate goal, the absolute or the eternal truth. Next, we'll talk about the blue colored body. In some texts, Lord Shiva is said to possess a blue complexion. One reason is that he is involved in outward activity on Himalayas, which were chilling cold, so his body turned blue. Another interpretation is deeper and more interesting. The blue color denotes his samta or having a stable mental condition in every situation, whether favorable or unfavorable, which is the best sign of a yogi as per Bhagavad Gita. Next, we'll talk about burning of Kamdev. It is said that Kamdev, the deity, was burned alive when the third eye of Lord Shiva was opened. This has got a deeper significance too. Kamdev represents the inner passionate drive that resides within a man. The third eye of Shiva represents the master gland or the pituitary gland. In science, it is believed that the pituitary gland is master of all lower endocrine glands. Yogis and sadhaks try to awaken this gland to control their passions, lust, anger, etc. The burning of Kamdev by opening of third eye simply means attainment of control over passions and lust by activation of pituitary gland through sadhana and yogic practices. So, let's try to imbibe the true essence of worshipping Lord Shiva and try to awaken him in our very lives by trying to imbibe his attributes in our character. Har Har Mahadev.